the Korean Spice Viburnum is one of my favorite viburnums. It has finished blooming. If you look here, you can see some of the seed pods. It bloomed about a month ago, and it is extremely fragrant. You could smell the flowers 12 feet away. You know, viburnums tend to be somewhat carefree. They may get a little bit of a leaf spot. They may get a little powdery mildew depending on the varieties that you're talking about. But one problem with the early blooming viburnums is a leaf curl. Now, if you're looking at a normal leaf of a viburnum is going to look like this. Beautiful, nice, non-curling. But then as I dug into this plant deeper in the foliage, I saw that's sort of normal foliage, but what I saw is a leaf curl. And it's pretty easy to figure out what the leaf curl is. A lot of insect pests, many of them tend to be found on the bottom of the leaves. And the reason is it protects them from the sun, heavy rains. So what I've done here is pick this from inside the plant, and I am going to unfurl the leaf. And as I unfurl the leaf, I see aphids. I see immature aphids, medium-sized aphids, and adult aphids with wings. They grow or go through maybe 7 different growth spurts where the aphids shed their skin and get a little bigger, do it again and again and again, and then they end up being adults. In some cases, aphids do not need a partner to produce babies. They can produce babies through parthenocarpy, I believe. So they don't have to breed to produce babies. But now when you treat this, or if you're going to spray it, remember, you've got to sort of get under the foliage, and that may be hard in some cases. So when you treat this, come up underneath, always follow the label directions, and you can then control the aphids.